Is AMD stock a buy? Let's face it, the stock market is buzzing, and AMD has been one of the most talked about tech giants of the decade. In this video, we'll dive into AMD's meteoric rise, its groundbreaking innovations, and whether it's a golden opportunity for your portfolio or a trap to avoid. From powering high-performance gaming to competing in AI and cloud computing, AMD has proven it's a serious contender in the tech arena. But is all this hype justified? Or is Wall Street setting us up for disappointment? Today, we'll unpack AMD's recent financial performance, explore its competitive edge against rivals like Intel and nvidia, and tackle the burning question: does AMD still have room to grow, or has it already peaked? With the ever-evolving semiconductor market and macroeconomic uncertainty, making the right investment call isn't easy. Are analysts' bullish targets realistic? Or should investors brace for turbulence? Stay tuned as we break it all down. By the end of this video, you'll know whether AMD deserves a place in your portfolio. Advanced Micro Devices, commonly known as AMD, has long been a trailblazer in the semiconductor industry, crafting high-performance chips that power everything from personal computers to cutting-edge data centers. Yet despite its legacy and innovation, AMD's stock story has taken a curious turn. While the buzz around artificial intelligence has fueled explosive growth, for many semiconductor stocks, AMD hasn't fully joined the party, at least not yet. Over the past 3 years, AMD's share price has dipped nearly 8%, while its key competitor nvidia has surged more than 40%. So is AMD being overlooked, or is it playing catch-up in a high-stakes game? More importantly, does this create a golden entry point for long-term investors? Here's what's intriguing. AMD has been making strategic moves to capture a slice of the booming AI chip market. In the third quarter, AMD reported an 18% increase in sales. Even more impressive, diluted GAAP earnings per share jumped 161%. The company is positioning itself as a serious AI contender with its MI300 accelerators, designed to compete directly with nvidia's GPS. These chips could drive AMD deeper into lucrative AI and machine learning markets. However, it's still early, and gaining meaningful traction against industry leaders won't be easy. Beyond AI, AMD's fundamentals deserve attention. Its diverse product lineup, strategic acquisitions like Xilinx, and growing influence in the data center market signal long-term relevance. But macroeconomic pressure, intense competition, and investor impatience raise a critical question: is AMD undervalued or fairly priced? AMD may trail nvidia in GPS, but its processors still deliver strong performance. Data center revenue surged 122% year-over-year to $3.5 billion in the most recent quarter. Management expects full-year data center sales to exceed $5 billion. This growth is driven by a global rush to build AI-powered infrastructure. Trillions are expected to be spent on AI data centers over the next few years, and AMD is clearly riding that wave. However, nvidia remains the undisputed leader, controlling an estimated 70% to 95% of the AI accelerator market. Chipping away at that dominance will be a massive challenge. While AMD is growing, it still operates in nvidia's shadow. So, does this make AMD a bad investment? Not necessarily. The company is growing, diversifying, and benefiting from AI expansion. But nvidia's leadership and ecosystem dominance make it the clear AI play right now. AMD operates across AI processors, client devices, gaming, and embedded systems. While AI and client processors are growing, gaming and embedded segments are struggling. Gaming revenue dropped sharply, and embedded sales also declined, highlighting uneven performance. Valuation is another concern. AMD trades at a high price-to-earnings ratio compared to nvidia and the broader market. Paying a premium usually requires clear market leadership or unique advantages, areas where AMD still lags in AI. Despite this, AMD remains a formidable semiconductor company. Its advancements in high-performance computing, partnerships, and AI-focused products support long-term potential. The real question is whether AMD can turn innovation into sustained market leadership. In my opinion, AMD may not be the best buy right now. While it benefits from AI infrastructure growth, nvidia's dominance and AMD's premium valuation make it a higher risk play. For now, AMD may belong on your watchlist rather than in your portfolio. If the company proves it can close the competitive gap and gain stronger AI adoption, it could become a more compelling buy in the future. The bottom line: AMD is a powerful tech company with exciting potential, but its current AI position and valuation suggest caution. Patience may be the smarter strategy.